Baby, look at them lenses. Let's see our total real quick. Man, who's at the door now? Okay, nobody here. Oh, a package. Okay, no tape, dingy box. See what it's talking about. This crusty box, man. Let's see what these people talking about. The perfect camera. It's underneath. Okay. Okay, let me see what it's talking about. Man, what is this? All these accessories. I mean, they did say it's under there. Ah, here we go. This is what we talking about. Nah, the boy's not gonna know what I got. Let's see. The perfect camera is the one you already have, bro. Ain't nobody trying to hear that. Hey guys, Cinemark here, and today we'll be going over my baby red camera rig. Today I'll be showing you two different types of rigs. From my lightweight setup that allows me to quickly get in and out, to my full production setup. It can be converted to any camera that you have, and all the links will be down in the description below. For the body, I use my trusty Sony a7S III. It's housed by this cage by SmallRig. It allows various mounting points as well as protects my camera. The quality of this camera is just gorgeous. From the low light to the 4K 120, I'm spoiled. The lens that lives 96% on my camera is the Sigma 18-35 f1.8. It's a beautiful lens, it's sharp, it's fast, it's just all around lives on my camera. I then converted to my E-mount camera from EF with the Sigma MC11 adapter that has close to native autofocus. Next is the SmallRig native rail. This allows me to quickly take everything off my camera as everything is designed for speed and portability. I then have the SmallRig multi-tool that I use to unscrew everything. Next up is the Arca-Type plate. This allows me to quickly take my camera off of my rig, go handheld, or put it on my gimbal. Then we have the Arca-Type base plate mounted onto these 15mm rods, and on the bottom is my Manfrotto 502. Next I have this red camera handle and the smaller native rail. This allows me to place the monitor mount on and off quickly. I don't think they make this SmallRig red camera handle anymore, but there are some alternatives. Then I have these lightweight carbon fiber rods. I'm gonna put them on straight through. And then it allows me to add on my V-mount plate. Just goes on these rails just like this. Next I have my 99 watt-hour V-mount battery that has plenty of ports including USB-C and D-tap. This allows me to run for all day and it just mounts on the back. Next is my Rode Video Mic Pro Plus that I use for all my onboard audio. And to place it so that it doesn't interfere with my monitor, I have this hot shoe extension. Mounts on the body just like this. And I add on my mic like so. What I use for monitoring is my Atomos Shogun Connect 7. It has various features and also has this lunchbox on the back by Andy Cine. It allows me to add this 1TB SSD that is relatively cheap. Then I have this hawk lock that goes right on, that acts as a quick release. And this allows me to tilt forward, backward, and side to side. I then have this MPF battery that connects from D-tap straight to the monitor. I then have this lens support that allows me to support all my lenses, as well as take the stress off of my camera body. Go ahead and add the HDMI cord. And then I use my Nissi C5 matte box that has a VND that you just slip in. The matte box then just clamps on the front of the lens. I don't use this top flag really, as well as it usually is very loose. So we're gonna drop in our VND like so. And then I have this Tiffin Pro Mist 1/8 that I use for all my videos to take the digital edge off. Go ahead and tighten that down. And then we're ready for any production we have. Has a good amount of weight and has everything that I need. Next is my lightweight setup that I use for sports and just on the go. We're gonna start by first taking this rail block off of our V-mount plate. And then we have this battery hinge as well as 2 rod connectors. I'm then gonna add it on the back like so and screw in my V-mount plate. Next, we're just gonna simply add it in through the base plate and put the battery right on back. Our monitor of choice is the 5-inch Atomos Shinobi that I add the hawk lock back on and place in front of the camera. Go ahead and wire everything up. For my VND, I used a Freewell VND. It's magnetic and just goes on front. And this battery hinge allows me to swivel, but I usually keep it up. And that's my lightweight rig. So that's basically it. These setups have allowed me to up my work as well as look presentable. Keep in mind, this is usable across any camera. All you have to do is change the cage. This is my baby FX6 for now, as I'm saving up for the next camera drop, but it will serve me well until I reach there. For now, this is versatile for my run and gun projects, as well as my larger production work. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I hope you like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. I'm out.